Hello. Gardening starts and ends with the soil. It's the living heart of your garden. When your soil is healthy, everything thrives, plants, harvests, and the whole space feels alive. But poor soil, clay, sand, or lifeless dirt, can be frustrating. The secret isn't fighting your soil, but feeding it. Forget expensive fertilizers or exhausting digging. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple natural ways to turn any soil into rich, fertile ground, the lazy way. First up, compost, nature's multivitamin for your soil. Compost adds nutrients, boosts microbes, and improves soil structure. Spread 1 to 2 inches over your beds each season and let rain and worms do the mixing. Compost is black gold. It's alive with billions of helpful microbes. These tiny workers break down matter, unlock nutrients, and protect plants from disease. For heavy clay, compost loosens and aerates. For sandy soil, it holds water and nutrients. Just top dress your beds, no digging needed. Worms and rain will pull compost into the soil for you. Make your own from kitchen and garden waste, or buy peat-free bags. Consistent composting transforms your soil's character. You're feeding soil life, improving structure, and giving plants what they need to thrive. It's the foundation of a healthy garden. Start with compost, and you're already halfway there. Next, mulch, your soil's protective blanket. Mulch locks in moisture, keeps weeds down, and slowly breaks down into organic matter. Use straw, shredded leaves, or untreated wood chips, 2 to 3 inches thick, a few inches from plant stems. Mulch mimics nature, where soil is never bare. It conserves water, keeps soil cool, and saves you time on watering. Mulch also blocks weeds, less weeding, less work. As it breaks down, mulch feeds soil life and improves structure. Choose what's available: leaves, straw, or wood chips. Apply a thick layer on top of compost, but keep it away from stems to prevent rot. Mulching protects your investment and creates perfect conditions for your garden to flourish. It's a simple act with big rewards. Less work, healthier soil, better plants. Mulch is your garden's best friend. Finally, green manure. Cover crops like clover, rye, or peas. Grow them in empty beds during the off-season. When cut down and left to decompose, they add nitrogen, improve aeration, and feed soil life. Green manures prevent nutrient loss and protect soil from erosion. Legumes like clover fix nitrogen from the air, boosting fertility for next season's crops. Deep-rooted cover crops break up compacted soil and improve drainage. Simply sow seeds after harvest, let them grow, then cut before they set seed. Leave the cuttings as mulch or lightly mix into the topsoil. Roots decompose, leaving channels for water and air. With green manures, your soil is always protected and improving. It's an elegant, efficient way to build fertility. Let plants do the hard work for you. So there you have it. Compost, mulch, and green manure. 3 simple, natural ways to transform your soil. Focus on feeding the soil, not fighting it. Healthier soil means healthier, more resilient plants and bigger harvests. Start small. Try 1 bed this season and see the difference. The journey to great soil is a marathon, not a sprint, but it's worth it. Start now, and by next season, you'll see a huge difference. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with a fellow gardener.